Hey guys, how easy is it to clean my chicken coop? It's pretty straightforward. I made the dropping board removable, so all I gotta do is take it out, clean it really well, and stick it back in there. Yeah, and this part I could either put the wheelbarrow underneath the house and drop everything in, or I could just put this trash bin right there and put everything inside the trash bag all at once. So right now I put the chickens outside and I close the door so that they don't come back inside and get out. Enjoying life. Okay. Yeah, so I made the first roost removable. That way I have some more room to work with. I don't have to hit myself while I'm working. I made it a little bit wider than the width of the inside here, from here to there. And that way it's a tight hold when I put the roost back inside. And as you could see, according to my research, it's nice to have a 2x4 like this so their feet are flat when they're laying in the cold, so they don't get frostbite while they're trying to grab onto anything. Yeah, so we're about to clean this baby and get it ready so that I could stay healthy. Also important to have mask on and gloves, that way you don't breathe in all that chicken manure. I can get inside if I want to. Alright, once that's all done and clean, we go back to this area, clean it as much as possible. It doesn't need to be perfect, and then we put it back inside. Cheap easy. That we got from Amazon. Just basically spread it everywhere so that it doesn't stick too much on the ground. It makes it easier to clean later. The only only downside of cleaning like that, I have this latch on the floor for this right here. It gets clogged, so I gotta unclog it every time. So you guys know I put this roost back on. So basically, it's like I said, it's wider than still slightly wider than the width of the chicken coop. Just squeeze it in. Done with that side. Now we're gonna go clean the laying area. Alright, let's go do food. keep one of those inside the house. That way when it's freezing outside, and if this froze, despite the fact that there's a heating plate under it, then I can put fresh water on one of them and bring it outside, and then take the one that's frozen, bring it back inside. That way. That's basically the plate. It's good for plastic as well as metal, so they have no issue. I've never had any issue of it being frozen, even when temperature were like 15 or 10 degrees outside. It was still water for them to drink. So I only change the water every week. Just make sure they have fresh water. I don't really have to come out here during the week because the food is underneath the house. The food is underneath the house, so I don't have to worry about it getting wet in the rain like it used to. Yeah, they just come out, eat, get water, go back inside. So, someone in the house bought some sweet corn. Never got to use them, so instead of throwing them away, they like to pick at it. So, we give it to them. Beautiful.